Hey guys, Denny here. I was going through my old footage on my phone and I happened upon one of the oldest videos I have on YouTube. I think it's the second oldest video I have uploaded on my old channel, Touchscreen Fridge. And basically, the story behind it was I was at Sears and I found this fridge with a touch screen on it. And this was back in 2010, before touchscreens were on everything. So it was like really weird and I just had to get a video of it. So I did, and I plugged it into my editing software, and I sort of fixed it up a little bit. It's not perfect. Of course, it will never be perfect. The way I shot it and the voice and yeah. So basically what I'm gonna do is in just a second, you'll watch the remastered video, and then I'm going to show the videos side by side, and I want you to see the difference that I made on the video. Because I'm watching and I'm like, it blows my mind what a difference I've made. Just like I all I did is put a letterbox on it and I stabilized it a bit. I didn't touch the color. I didn't touch anything else. So hope you enjoy. Here it is.
Hello YouTube world, I have to show you this. This is a fridge with a touch screen. Watch, ready? Menu. And this is still a fridge. That's today. This is amazing. Here's this info. Watch this, ready? My ice cream is soft. Why? Calendar has an event on the 11th. It's Columbus Day. This event, Columbus Day. Freshness tips, how to keep all your stuff fresh. Hello world, I love you. I put that. No, edit. I made a boo-boo. Price.